Our nation is spread with full of culture, convention, and the value of the individuals. So one day is chosen to make the significance of this all culture on April 18th as World Heritage Day. This is Sauvarnika from the World Heritage Club to present a speech on World Heritage Day. As we all know that Taj Mahal is in Agra and Eiffel Tower is in Paris and Elephanta Caves is in Mumbai. And something is common in them. It is that they are all World Heritage Sites. A World Heritage Site is a name structure or territory which is of worldwide significance and is a unique spot which requires extraordinary consideration and security. As indicated by UNESCO, these sites delegate World Heritage and are called UNESCO World Heritage Sites. I was astonished to know that there were 1,052 World Heritage Sites, of which 35 of them are in India. The significance of this day mirrors the achievements of the individuals of an antiquated past. It spreads mindfulness towards the individuals to teach the world. If the present generation comes in support of the celebration of this day, it will be of great help for the citizens of this country. Now, let us see an activity. Right now, I am having a ball. Let me throw it. It comes down. Let me go over there. It comes down. Let me go over there. Again and again, it comes down. Wherever I go around the world and throw an object, it comes down. Well, we all know that the ball comes back because of gravity. Gravity is still present generation after generation and never sleeps. Likewise, we need to conserve our heritage sites for future generations as they can learn more about the past endeavors of the people of this world. In conclusion, I hope you too will take an oath to conserve our heritage sites. Won't you? Yes, together we can make it better. Thank you.